Hey YouTube, it's that short guy. It's kind of a bittersweet video today. It's July the 17th. And pretty much I have to say farewell to the ATS V. It's finally sold. I'm really happy for the new owner though. She got an awesome deal. This car started off in California, came to Texas. Now it's headed all the way to the East Coast. It's headed to New York. I have a lot of memories of this car. I got married. When I got married, this was the car we drove off in. I'm excited for its new owner. I'm really happy. So I just wanted to make this quick video. I'm gonna clean her up really good. You guys can follow me through that process. I'll try to keep the video as short as possible. But yeah, I'm sad to see it go, but I'm happy for the new owner. Recently, I've been using this McGuire's Hybrid Ceramic Wax after I wash and rinse down the car with a mitt. This thing's awesome. So what you do is you first wash your car, spritz a little bit on, and then you rinse off again. Here she is, she's all finished up, ceramic coated and waxed. Bittersweet moment. The new owner is going to be so happy. I mean, she got a phenomenal deal. These things are going for such a high price right now compared to what she paid. I think she's going to be super happy. This car is going to live a new life in New York. So off to the city of, what do you call it? The city of dreams, New York, huh? Goodbye, ATS V. Hope you enjoyed up there in the north. Gonna miss this thing. I'm gonna have to get myself another manual car one of these days.